My name is Jennifer Murlowski. I work for Bel Air Sitework Services, and I am their chief estimator. So I graduated high school, and all set, ready to go into college, and I tried it out for about 6 months, and I decided it was not for me. I had had enough of school, so I started digging a little deep into what I really wanted to do, and I actually had the opportunity to go work as a laborer at a construction company. So that's what I did, and it actually turned out really good, and I've been there ever since and worked myself up through the ranks. As I said, started out as a laborer and went into surveying and then went into estimating, and now I'm chief estimator. A chief estimator in our company heads up the estimates. We do earthwork, site work, underground utilities. I've got other estimators that work under me that compile the estimates. I review them, I get them ready to be sent out, and I submit them to our clients. Along those lines, I do a lot of training. I know how this company works and how they like things done. So when we get new employees or new estimators or even new project managers in, I show them how things are to be done, processes within the company. The best part of my job is winning a job, obviously. So much time and effort goes into putting together an estimate, and obviously you're not the only one putting a number on a project. And when you are competing with other companies that are comparable to what you can do, and you get that call, you've got the contract, it's the best feeling. So that's probably the best part. To do what I do, you would need to take some classes. Blueprint reading classes are very important. Getting into apprenticeship program in a company. And nowadays, there's so many out there, and they're actually willing to pay you or train you. So that's what I would recommend. The most important advice I would give to young women about their careers would be confidence. And not to be construed with arrogance, but if you learn this trade and you know what you are doing, you can have that confidence and go into a meeting or go onto a job site and know what you're talking about. People are going to listen to you. I would have to say confidence is what you really need and to work towards. When I was younger, I wish somebody would have told me, ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask questions, especially when it comes to getting the job. If you walk into a meeting and you have your proposal in hand, ask for the order. The worst thing that can happen is they say no. But then you can find out why and dig deeper into it. Figure out, how do you fix it in the future? What can you do better to nail that job? Ask questions. I would like young girls to not be afraid to go into these trades just because you may think it's a man's world out there. I am starting to see more and more guys accepting of women. I know and are friends with quite a few men in the industry, and they actually enjoy working with women more than men. They listen more. They're not so yes or no. They want to hear what's going on. They're willing to learn more. In our industry, you work a lot, and you can't be afraid to work a lot. It's a really difficult juggle between family life and work life, and being able to get out there and network with other women who are like us. But with what we're doing here, I think it's a great start.